how to fix Instagram story music not working. So let's get started. First thing first, open the App Store on your mobile device and search for the Instagram. Once searched, tap on the Instagram option available there and ensure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Make sure your device is also running the latest version of its operating system. So after you do all this, simply check for the internet connection as well. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection as Instagram requires internet access to fetch music. After you do all this, go to the Instagram and tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner. Then scroll down till you find the option Help. So if none of these steps resolve the issue, then you will have to reach out to the Instagram support for further assistance. So report a problem and write down that you are having problem with music not showing on your Instagram.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.